Hi, Jerry Lopez Jr. here with Apex Entrances. In this Closet Revival series, PearlCoat Resurrection. Some doors don't just open, they beg for a second chance. In this series, we're bringing one hallway closet door back from the brink. Battered, faded, nearly forgotten, it's getting the full Apex treatment, repaired, reshaped, and refinished with automotive base coat, clear coat. But we're not stopping at durable, we're going for beautiful. A custom blend of soft blue pearl flows across the surface, echoing the walls around it and catching light like a hidden gem in the hallway. This isn't just a repair, it's a resurrection. Let's turn damage into design and the forgotten into the unforgettable. All right, we got a hallway closet door that the closet is under the stairs. The door, the bottom's been cut off because it's shorter. It's about 73 inches. It's shorter than a normal door. And it's made out of some cork. Probably a factory finish on it, and it is very much like paper. I'm gonna do something serious with this door if I can. I've gotta do all the repairs on it. Before I clean it, I don't wanna introduce any type of water, so I'm just gonna have to scuff around my repairs and fix as nail holes in it. There's tons of stuff wrong with this sucker that I'm gonna show you. And let's see if I can make something happen.